How to unlink WhatsApp from other devices. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can unlink WhatsApp from other devices. So without any delay, let's just dive right into the video. For that, first of all, go ahead and open up your WhatsApp, and once you are here, you'll be finding this interface. So all you need to do is head over to the three dot at the top right corner, and you'll be finding a linked devices option, this one right here. Go ahead and open it up, and when you open it up, you'll be finding devices right here. So if you have added WhatsApp to more than one device, you'll be finding it right here under this device status. Just go ahead and tap on it to log out, and you'll be finding this option called log out from here. Just go ahead and tap on it and confirm it. When that is done, you will be unlinking a device from your WhatsApp. So that is it. It is a very easy method you can follow up. So if this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos, and we will be seeing on the next one. And thank you for watching.